Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise 3.9. Now, first question is like that. Estimate the product. Product means multiply by rounding off to nearest tens. Means first we have to round off the numbers. Like in first question, A part 4415 multiply with 302. First we have to round off nearest 10. Round off to nearest tens, right? If we have to round off into nearest tens, so which place digit we will check? Ones place, because ones, tens, hundred and thousand, right? If we have to round off the number into nearest tens, so we will check the digit at the place of ones, at the place of ones, one digit before that number. So 4415 at the place of ones number is 5, so we will add 1 to this. 4420. Next number 302 at the place of ones 2, which is less than 5, so the number will remain same. Now we have to estimate the product. So what we write here? Estimated product. Estimated product. That is, multiply the numbers. Firstly, you will multiply it here also and write the answer. 1, 2, 3. Total zeros are 3, so we will write 3 zeros. Now after these zeros, we have to multiply this number with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 1 goes carry. 3 4s are 12 and 1 13. Your answer is 13,26,000. Clear? Same as it is. B part is 1153 multiply 6998. Again round off to, you will write it here also. Round off to nearest tens. Nearest tens. Now 1153. Again tens, we will check the digit of ones place. Here is 3, so the number will remain the same. 6998. 8 more than 5, so we'll add 1 to the digit at the tens place. 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 10. Wait, here 8, so what becomes 0. Now 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 goes carry. 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 7. Look, 6998 at the place of ones 8, so it becomes 0. Now we will add 1. 9 plus 1 10. 1 goes carry. 9 plus 1 10. Again 1 goes carry. 6 plus 1 7. So here what comes? 7,000. Now again estimated product again. See, here is 1 0 and here is how many zeros? 3. So total zeros are 4. 1 2 3 4. Now we have to multiply 115 with 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 goes carry. 7 1s are 7 and 3 10. 1 goes carry. 7 1s are 7 and 1 8. Clear? You can multiply it here also. 7 5s are 35. 3. 7 1s are 7 and 3 10. 1 goes carry. 7 1s are 7 and 1 8. Right? Now next question is question number 2. Each packet has 325 comms. How many comms in one packet? 325. Estimate the number of comms contained in 7204 such packets by rounding off to nearest tens. See, now here one packet, number of comms in one packet is 325. Now they are saying that these much packets are there and we have to find the number of comms. So one packet many is given, one packet quantity is given and many they are asking. So what we do here, multiply, and the statement is like this: number of comms in each packet 325. Now round off to nearest tens. So at the place of ones the digit is 5. Again 1 add to the number which is at the place of tens and it becomes 330. Number of packets 7204. So round off to nearest tens, at the place of ones is 4 which is less than 5. So the number will remain the same. Now we have to find the total number of comms. This number multiply with this. Again you will do the multiplication here and write the answer. Clear? Now question number 3. Estimate the product by rounding off to nearest 100. Now we have to round off to nearest 100. A part is 3036 multiply with 3082. Round off to nearest 100. Clear? So 3036, if 100, so we will check the digit at the place of tens. Once tens which is less than 5, so the number is 3000, because here less than 5, so we will not add anything in this number. 3082, here 8 greater than 5, so we will add 1 here and it becomes 3100. Now estimated product. We will multiply both the numbers and write the answer here. Clear? You have to do the calculation yourself. Now B part is 14,041 multiply with 2037. Again round off to nearest 100. Fourteen thousand 41. We will check the digit at the place tens. Once tens less than 5, the number will remain the same. This one also 2037. Once tens 3 less than 5, so the number is also remain the same, 2000. What you will write here, estimated product, because we are estimating the numbers now, we are round off the number, so it is estimated means assumed, not exact. Estimated product. See, in previous exercise we have done the estimated difference, estimated additions. So here is estimated product. Multiply both the numbers and you will get the answer. Now fourth question is each packet has 238 pens. Estimate the number of pens contained in 5497 such packets by rounding off to nearest 100. Clear? In one packet how many pens are there? 238, and total number of packets are 5497. Now we have to find the number of the pens in these packets. Clear? The statement is like this: Number of pens in each packet 238. Nearest 100, ones, tens. 3 less than 5, so 200. Right. Number of packets. Total number of packets are 5497. Ones, tens. At the place of tens, what is 9 more than 5? So we will add 1 to this number, and number is 5500. 4 plus 1, 5. Now total number of pens, what? 5500 multiply with 200, and you will get the answer. See, 1 2 3 4 zeros as it is, right? 2 5s are 10, 1 goes carry, 2 5s are 10 and 1 11. So how many pens are there? 11 left pens. Clear? Now question number 5. Estimated the quotient by rounding off to nearest tens. Quotients we find, we have to divide the numbers. Now A part is 3478 divided by 32. Round off to nearest tens. $3,478. Ones, at the place of ones the digit is 8, which is more than 5. 3480, and that is 32. Ones, 2, the number will remain the same, 30. Now estimated quotient, not product. 3480 divided by 30. Right? Now 0 will cut from both the sides. 348 divided by 3, and you will write your quotient here. Clear? Now B part, which is also same like this. 4197 divided by 56. Round off to nearest tens. Again, firstly we will round off the number. Ones, more than 5, we will add 1 to this number. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 0 comes, 1 goes carry, it becomes 4200. And 56 equals to, at the place of ones the digit is 6, which is more than 5. So we will add 1 to this number, and it becomes 60. Right? Now estimated quotient, $4,200 divided by 60. Again 0 cut from both the side. 420 divided by 6. Here you will write your quotient. Clear? Now next question number 6 is 92,398 pens have to be packed into packets of 48 pens each. Means in one packets how many pens can come? 48. Estimate the number of packets that will be obtained by rounding off to nearest tens. So total pens are this much, number of pens in each packet, and we have to find the number of the packets. Now the statement is to be like this. Total pens are this much, 92,398. Now round off to nearest tens. Ones, at the place of ones the digit is 8, which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to this number. 9 plus 1, 10, and 1 comes carry. It becomes 92,400. Number of pens in each packet 48. At the place of ones 8, more than 5. So it becomes 50. We have to find the number of packets. Divide the number. See, both side here 5 will come only. both side zeros cancel from both the sides, it becomes 9240 divided by 5. You will divide the number and write your quotient here. Now question number 7 is estimate the quotient by rounding off to nearest 100. Now we have to round off the number into nearest 100. First part is 6443 divide by 433 nearest 100. Now for the 100 we will check the digit at the place of tens. Ones, tens. 4 less than 5, so the number is 6400. Next again at the place of tens 3, so the number will remain the same, 400. Estimated quotient, both side 2 zeros are there, both the zeros cancel from both the side, and answer is 64 divided by 4, which is 4 ones are 4, 2 left, 4 6 are 24, and answer is 16. B part, 5572 divided by 6733 nearest 100. Again ones, tens, 7 more than 5, 1 will be added here, and our round off is 5600, and here is 7, this one also more than 5, so we will add one more. 6 plus 1, 7. Estimated quotient, 5600 divided by 700, from both the sides 0 cancel, 56 divided by 7, and 7 8s are 56. Clear? Now next question is question number 8. 5,24,380 items have to be packed into packets of 610 items each. Means number of items are this much. In one packets we can only fill 610 items. We have to again estimated the number of packets. So statement is like this. Total number of items 5,24,380. Nearest 100. Ones, tens, 8 more than 5, so we will add 1 to this number and it becomes 4400. Number of items in each packet 610. At the place of tens the digit is 1, which is less than 5, so the number will remain same. Now number of packets, you will divide both the numbers. See, both side zeros is there, 0 cancel by 0, and the number is 5244 divided by 6. You will write the quotient here. Clear? Question number 9 is estimate the following by suitable rounding off. Suitable means we have to round off the number into nearest, like tens, ones, we have to choose. Now the question is like this. See, it is 64. It is near to 100, so we will round off the number to nearest 100. Ones, tens, 1, as it is 2400, and 64 nearest 100. Automatically here we can write 0. It is 6 more than 5, so we will add 1 to this number and it becomes 100. Estimated quotient, both side 2 zeros are there, both the zeros cancel, and your answer is 24. Same in the B part, 8. We can round off the number to nearest 1000, and the answer is like this. Clear?